Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display PDF using PDFKit in native iOS application with Swift. So here you can see this is my PDF getting displayed, and I am also displaying a thumbnail at the left hand side. So if you can also click on the thumbnail to go to a particular PDF page. So yeah, that's what this tutorial is all about. I will show you how to display a PDF which is embedded inside your application, also PDF which is stored on a network URL. So yeah, let's get started. So things are pretty simple. I have created a native iOS application with Swift. I'm using UIKit, but if you want, you can use Swift UI as well. Next, I have just dragged and dropped this PDF inside my iOS application. Okay, once you drag and drop, make sure this target membership is checked. Also go to your view controller next, and here I have just imported PDFKit. Now everything I have done is done via programmatically. I'm not created anything via storyboard. Even though I have this main storyboard, I'm not really using it. So this is our PDF view, and for displaying this thumbnail view I have taken this scroll view as well. So here we are just initializing our PDF view. Now given that we need to display a thumbnail on the left hand side, that's why this width is little weird, and this width is also little bit weird, like the X and the width position, whereas the height is from top to bottom. Then here I have just assigned some properties to our PDF, like auto scale, display mode, and display direction. Then I have just added our PDF view to our view. Now given that my name of the PDF is sample over here, to load it you can just use something like this, but change this name to whatever is your PDF name. Okay, I will come back to this later on, like how to load PDF from a network URL. Then here I am just creating this PDF thumbnail view, and here you can see we are starting from X0 Y0, but the width is only like whatever is the total width multiplied by 0.2, because if you see over here for our PDF, whatever is the total width multiplied by 0.8, and it starts from 0.2. so that's what the calculation is. Then we are just assigning thumbnail view.pdf equal to PDF view. I'm setting the layout mode vertical, and here I'm setting the thumbnail size as well, and here we are just using this thumbnail view, and here I'm not really using this scroll view. I'm not sure why I added that, but anyways, that's fine. Then suppose we want to display PDF from a network URL, you can just comment this out and uncomment this, but here make sure you use HTTPS, and this should be don't use this particular URL, because I will delete this particular PDF once I'm done with this particular video. So don't use this URL. You can use your own server URL where your PDF is located, or just create a Firebase project, just upload a PDF to Firebase storage and use that particular URL. Now I will just again quickly run this application just to show you guys the output, and hopefully it will work for us. Okay, so as you can see, this is been getting displayed as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.